Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect the Canon R5 to the DJI RS3 Mini. So again guys, it's compatible. If you check the compatibility list from DJI, which is the RS3 Mini, the Canon EOS R5, it's compatible via Bluetooth or via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or USB connection. On today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect via Bluetooth the Canon R5 to the DJI RS3 Mini. So guys, without further ado, let's start now. So guys, first you go to the menu buttons, and here from the Wi-Fi settings from up, you go with the Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Just make OK, and from down you have connect to wireless remote. So select the connect wireless remote, add device to connect, and make OK. Next pairing. While you're waiting for pairing, make sure you go for DJI this area. Mhm. You need to go to the Bluetooth area. Where's the Bluetooth? Okay, so this is the connection from the Bluetooth. You go swipe down. This is the icon is camera with the Bluetooth. Just confirm, and you will see here EOS R5. So connect. Now it's connecting. We'll wait until connect from the connect target not found. So no problem. Make another one. Connect, and we'll wait until connect from the DJI RS3 Mini. Yeah, now you can confirm. Bluetooth connected already, so you can confirm, and now you have a perfect connect RS3 Mini and the Canon EOS R5. We'll try to take some videos. So let's make a test for recording. It's recording button, and now it's recording, guys. So it's perfect um, connected with the RS3 Mini and the DJI RS3 Mini and the Canon EOS R5. And guys, we have a perfect um, connected or perfect balance also with the DJI RS3 Mini and the Canon R5. So yan guys, if you want, it's a recording. So this is the recording now. This is our video from EOS R5. Yeah, so and guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the RS3 Mini and the DJI RS3 Mini and all the DJI product that we have, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Also, the Canon product we have also here in AB World. Just visit to our website. So again guys, this is how to connect easy the Canon R5 with the DJI RS3 Mini.